Bullish request cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 49 cents and 94 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept REQ could reach 38 cents by 2025. Bearish request market cost expectation for 2023 is 8 cents. Request presentation. The universe of digital currency is turning out to be progressively nuanced, with improvements happening across many chains, monetary forms, and stages. Different issues ruin the objective of decentralization, for example, information traffic, muddled cycles, and security issues. Among said issues comes the instance of smoothed-out installments. Request was laid out as a stage to make the installments framework less convoluted. In this all-encompassing aid, we cover the advantages of putting resources into the REQ token, the stage's specialized and key central issues, and give our request cost expectations. We will be taking a gander at the base cost esteem, normal cost, specialized examination, greatest cost, normal figure cost, normal exchanging cost, and most extreme worth. What is request? The significant expenses of working on digital money stages typically emerge in the installments component. Outsiders which moderate money trades into different worldwide monetary standards charge a heavy expense for transformation. Be that as it may, request changes the game by dispensing with the requirement for outsider transformation frameworks and wallets. Through request, the clients send data, for example, the installment owed and the client to which the request is to be sent. The installments can be made and sent through straightforward requests, or invoiced through different means. As the local badge of request, the REQ token is utilized to control all organization requests. The request stage's attractiveness is what we consider while making our potential request cost expectation. The most common way of requesting installments on digital currency stages wasn't really the most smoothed out. Yet with request, clients can send solicitations and agreements. Requests for charging are moved when the agreement is finished, which keeps the cycle formal and altogether evades misrepresentation. Request venture. The vision of request's originators, Christophe Laschite and Etienne Tatter, was to make a stage that smoothed out installments while keeping up with security and protection. In that objective, request has been out and out commendable, since changing over computerized installments into customary installments is facilitated without galactic charges and commissions paid to outsiders. Request stays an attractive and productive endeavor, while the cost of request has stayed unpredictable given the idea of the market. Upwards drifts in the future portray productive request cost expectation. Since outsider contribution is checked, the request stage covers security arrangements utilizing Ethereum and IPFS. Clients and diggers pay just exchange expenses for the stage's superior transactability and local area-driven administration. Request cryptocurrency cost. Request is presently worth 11 cents USD. REQ has moved 0.84% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,244,927. Request is right now positioned 237 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $109,533,154 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for request to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant request market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Request value forecast 2023. Request, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The REQ cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 16 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 15 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. REQ is supposed to have a base worth of 13 cents. Request value expectation 2024. In 2024, request REQ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of REQ will before long outperform 27 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the REQ's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, REQ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 22 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 24 cents. Request value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 38 cents and REQ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. REQ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 35 cents and a low of 33 cents in 2025. Request Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Request effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the REQ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, REQ will be green in 2026. The REQ is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 49 cents, with a base cost of 44 cents and a typical cost of 46 cents. Request Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the REQ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 57 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 55 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, REQ has a most extreme value worth of 61 cents. Request Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 68 cents. In the event that REQ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 72 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help REQ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 66 cents. Request Value Forecast 2029. While REQ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 77 cents and a yearly cost close above 83 cents in 2029. Request Value Expectation 2030. The base cost could be 88 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 94 cents, averaging out at 91 cents. Request Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme REQ cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.09 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.04. And request convention speculation potential is gigantic, making the REQ token a sought-after coin. The stage emphatically works on installment components while guaranteeing security and offers transformation frameworks, making it the conceivable PayPal of the digital currency world. Since installments on decentralized frameworks, like B2B installments, administration, IoT, and so on, are improved on through request, it has enormous development potential. The upset systems it offers for installment tasks can't be put into words and are gradually starting to be acknowledged as a practical type of installment and transformation administration. The group at Request is continually fostering the stage's true capacity, consequently expanding its suitability as a speculation choice over the long haul. What is the Request cost today? Today, Request is exchanging at 11 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $109,533,150.